how to remove WhatsApp number on your Facebook page. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily remove your WhatsApp number from your Facebook page. So first thing first, make sure you are logged in with your Facebook page inside your Facebook application, and simply click on your profile section from over here. And as you can see, simply click on this three dot icon over here, and from here you will see the option called edit action button. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you will see your WhatsApp if you have attached to it to your account. So to remove it, simply click on the remove option over here, and what it does is it removes your WhatsApp number, phone number permanently from your Facebook page. So once you refresh the page, it will no longer show you the WhatsApp phone number. So guys, that is it. That's exactly how you can easily remove your WhatsApp number from your Facebook page. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.